Welcome to the first video of the Bits and Pieces Quilting channel. I'm thrilled to be able to introduce you to my new channel and work with you to make the very most of your fabric bits and pieces. Hi, I'm Michelle. Welcome to Bits and Pieces Quilting. I've been a crafter and a maker for as long as I can remember. Inspired and taught primarily by my mom, I learned to knit and crochet and sew from a very early age. I can't remember a time when I wasn't working on some project or another. Over the years, my passion for fabric and sewing has really focused my energies around quilting. I was also inspired growing up in southern Ontario, in Mennonite country in Canada, and quilts were everywhere. And ultimately, it is the interplay of color and fabric that really inspires me. You'll see the vast majority of my quilt projects are scrappy quilts, and that's the primary inspiration behind Bits and Pieces Quilting. I hope to take you on a journey through the use of all of your fabric bits and pieces to make the most of the fabric that we have, to turn them into beautiful projects to share with family and friends. Throughout the videos, you might see my husband Jason. He's my partner in life as well as sometimes in quilting. He's great at spray basting and helps provide opinions on color and borders and fabric selection. He might make appearances in future videos. The first full tutorial, the first full video, will feature my Flippy Bits quilt. It's my first original pattern and is perfect for kids. It's fat quarter friendly, but also scrap friendly, and I hope you'll tune into that. I've been thinking and dreaming and planning about this YouTube channel for close to 3 years now. So as we go through some of these first videos, you'll see bits and pieces and clips that I've gathered over that time as I've prepared to create this channel. Please be patient with me as I stitch together the various assets that have been generated over time, but I think you'll start to get a cohesive picture of who I am as a quilter and a crafter. I hope you'll come along on this journey. I have a companion website to support the YouTube channel, and you'll find that at bitsandpiecesquilting.com. You can download my patterns from there, and I hope to create project sheets and other tip sheets and other resources to share with you there. If you like the sound of this, please like and subscribe. Please leave comments. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to engage with you and hear more about the sorts of videos that you might be interested in watching. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to making the most of our fabric bits and pieces.